Awesome, thanks for joining me. And as promised, I'm gonna get your extension cord looking like this. I used to fight with extension cords and get all snared up in there and everything, but then I learned a better way from an electrician friend of mine. I'm gonna show you how to do it. So let's unravel this. So this is how I used to do extension cords. I would take one in and then I would like wrap it around my arm until there was nothing left. I was stuck. Like a 100-foot cord, this would just not work. And even with that, it just is not sitting nicely or flat or any of that business. And then I learned a better way from an electrician friend of mine who showed me this method here. One end in your non-dominant hand, the other in your dominant hand. We're gonna give it a half twist away from ourselves and keep that going until we are out of cord. Feel free to adjust your cord as you need to get that loop nice and organized for yourself. So things are hanging up and looking good. So things aren't just all over the place in your garage. Pinch and then twist away from ourselves. It's like a half twist away. There we go, a little loop coming. Don't fret. Use that good hand. Smooth it out. Don't get in a hurry. Okay, it's worth the wait. Another little pinch. And then push away. Keep going until you're out of cord. Pinch it away. You can feel the material of the cord wanting to get into this position when you start using this method. Okay? So pinch and roll away. Sometimes it wants to fight you, that's okay. Come back, try again. Don't get in a hurry. You'll get it as you go. Pinch, roll away. Roll away. Perfect. Perfect. This is a 25-foot cord, but whenever you're starting to deal with a bunch of cords that are long and put together and you don't want them flying all over the place, getting all disorganized or tangled, in a knot, think Halloween time, think the 100-foot cords for the yard. This is it. I hope that this helped. I know that there are other methods for dealing with the cord and keeping things organized, but I hope that maybe this helped a little bit. It's flat, it's organized, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.